Welcome back to yet another Robbie James Productions. We are here in South Bank, the Brisbane Convention and Exhibition Centre for that Brisbane Truck Show. Shout out to bloody BRYMAD, getting a couple of hours off work to go and see this beauty of a show that is on, I think it's every 3 years, something like that. But again, massive shout out to BRYMAD. Again, shout out to all of our bloody channel sponsors down below. Once again, without any of you, none of this would be possible. For the massive amounts of camera gear that we have, the microphones, the lights, the lenses, the memory cards, the computer software for editing, everything there. So make sure you go give them some love, give them a comment, give them some likes, and of course follow them because they are all on Instagram and they are all linked down below. But enough jibber jabber, and let's buddy get into this truck show and see what this is all about. Bunch of floating wheels here, lads. I don't know if anyone else can see that, but yeah, just a bunch of floating lights and some floating wheels. Mad as old wrap from Freightliner. This thing looks bloody impressive. Bloody clean as well, obviously because they're at a show. But yeah, that wrap looks incredible. Got old Daphne's road car here, boys. Doesn't normally rep Brembos on the front, normally some AP racing. But yeah, old Daphne's street car, old Dave Reynolds. Shout out to you, brother. Another VA supercar here. This is actually the real one. So I think this is Richie's, well, obviously you can see Richie there, fellow Kiwi operator. But I think this is their Enduro race car from like Bathurst or Gold Coast even. But yeah, looking pretty schmick on display with Isuzu trucks down the side. Shout out to SB Tools. But yeah, not bad, eh? Not bad. Look at the size of this bloody turbo, boys. Holy. But he's 6-inch downpipe on it. Gee whiz. Where's the screamer? That's crazy.
The next day.
Boys, well, we have a fully stocky boy customer 7.5 Wagoon. Holy heck. We don't see many of these. I think one of our customers, or we got two customers, I think. This will be our third customer. And they're both Wolfberg editions. So this one doesn't look like it is. So non-Wolfberg 7.5 Wagoon. How bloody good. However, this one is in here for a full bloody day booking. Stocky boy, everything. Holy. RS wheels, which is what all the RS3 boys run. Pilot Sport 4s, but full stocky boy until today. Holy. Got a mode bloody intake going in today. Holy hecker. A mode intercooler as well. We've got Flow Design side skirts, Flow Design's rear lip, and the old mighty Maxton front lip. So this is going to be one hell of a day. And the customer even brought his own tools. So shout out to bloody Tool Pro. We love you, boys. Super G Bordeaux. Here we go. But yeah, this should look fun. And I just spotted it, boys. Holy! Aftermarket batteries, not fully stock. Holy! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And of course, boys, because this is going to be a bloody massive day, we need to bloody stay hydrated. So, as always, boys, make sure you're... Oh. Flipside. What is this? Pina colada. Another taste test for you, boys. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Shout out to Flipside. However, boys, make sure you are having... Yeah, I'm on your date. Don't worry. It was close by. I've got it here, boys. Don't worry. We got the monies. But we're going to do a bit of a taste test for our Pina colada. Hopefully this thing's going to kick us with caffeine, and we can get into this bloody 7.5 wagon. So here we go. Oh, the aftertaste is really the coconut. Oh, that's delicious. Roses are red, violets are blue, Troy and Adrian want to re-energise you. Bloody good tagline if you ask me. Oh, that's delicious. Holy heck. But that one's end of life, Pina Colada. That's my favourite so far from Flipside. So shout out to you boys. But enough bloody jibber jabber. Let's bloody get into this bloody 7.5 Wagoon. Oosh boys. Well, the front is all apart, so we're technically about 75% done. So yeah, all of that front's off. The intercooler is out. Aftermarket one here. So shout out to our boys at Mode Auto Concepts. Bloody good. Obviously, front crash support, grille, front bar, foamy thing, which we won't put back in, 2 headlights, and the stock intake. All the flow designs side skirts are on, so both sides. So looking really schmick. And just the rear diffuser to go, and also the front lip, which we'll put on after we do the intercooler and put all that back together. So bloody good. Oosh, boys. Well. We are officially bloody done. So, Flow Designs rear side splats. Flow Designs side skirt. Holy. Mode air intake. Mode air inlet elbow. Mode intercooler. And if we go around the back, boys, here we go. Holy. 7.5 flow rear diffuser. And she is bloody done. So we'll cut to that test drive footage bloody now. Look who's decided to show up. How's it going, mate?
Oh, you're talking to me?
Oh, wow. This guy.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good.
How you guys, huh?
What's your favorite flavor of an icy pop? I forgot. I'm steady trying to connect the dots. La-di-da. Girl, you got me working round the clock. Can't be stopped. All your friends are on the chopping block. Cut them off, yeah. I call you in the morning if this ain't a dream. I pick you up at 10 and then I'll pay for things. Cause you know I got it like that.
Oosh, boys. Well, the Mark 7R from last week with the DSG service is bloody done. So yeah, quick spark plug change for the boy, and all done and dusted. So didn't even intro the car, but yeah, should be schmick as running nice and crispy now. Holy.
The next day.
Oosh, boys. Well, welcome back to Sunday customer bookings. We have Aero with the carbon fibre engine bay in to swap some stock springs and a stock exhaust. So going back to stock, he's donating the 7.5 to his wife. How bloody lovely. But massive carbon air intake from AMS. ECS, shout out to Xander, carbon fibre engine cover. And lowering springs, which we done. He did have a Maxton front lip as well, but took all that off to get it ready to sell. Get it ready to sell to his wife. But yeah, bloody lovely, tastefully modified car. But however, she's going back to stock, boys. So let's get this bloody done. And of course, we cannot forget our bloody Money a Day, because a Money a Day, as we always say, is going to keep that bloody pesky doctor away. So, cheers, boys. Here we go. Oh, nothing better. Ultra Strawberry Dreams. Oh, so bloody good. So bloody refreshing. But enough bloody jibber jabber. Otherwise we're not going to get this bloody car out of here. And let's get into it.
Pulled up the driveway, left the engine running. Just where I saw the porch light. thought I heard you humming. Had a couple stories I couldn't wait to share. Heard the wind like a whisper and you weren't there. Life comes at you fast, do your best to prepare.
Push, boys. Well, what a push to get this one bloody done and bloody dusted. So wheels all on, bloody torqued. Main axle bolt all on, bloody torqued. And that's about it. Stock exhaust back on. X-Force exhaust just there, obviously. So ripped all that out and chucked the stocky back on. But she's a sad, sad day for the 7.5. Not ideal, but hey, it is what it is. But let's cut to that test drive footage and get this bloody customer out of here.
It was feeling like I was driving off the lot. It was feeling like I lifted it. I guess my last whip, I got too rich for it. Feeling like the rule, I ain't giving up an inch for us. Trying to move the needle, it's a cinch for us. I wake up like I'm dreaming, somebody better pinch me. I never wanted smoke, but now I'm popping out the chimney. I'm burrowed at the top, and I ain't never been to Cincy. When I started, everybody said it's cringy. They blowing hot air, I'm snapping like a pop snare. I'm looking around to find some competition, but it's not there. One thing they never heard me say was that it's not fair. They can't cage niggas, can't air. But I'm flying, baby, bon voyage. I've been fitting the slide like I'm hitching a ride. Pop the stick in the drive, I just been figuring I could turn an M into 5, can turn a 5 into 10. Will they remember I'm then? Will they remember I'm then? I almost let it slip once, baby, never again. I guess I'm good up here.